If you want to see how easy it is to remove and replace a headlight bulb on a Toyota Yaris Cross, then check out this video. Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. My name is Ross and this is a 2025 Toyota Yaris Cross. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove and replace the headlight bulbs on this car, and there are no tools required, and they're also super accessible, which is really good for a modern day car. They're often quite concealed. As you can see, I've already popped open the bonnet, but if you don't know how to do that, just go into the driver's side and pull this lever here. Then come back to the front of the car, put your hand in above the Toyota badge, and we're going to push that lever there to the left, and we'll go ahead and put this bonnet stay in that hole there. And with that safe and secure, we can just have a good look around the engine bay, and I'll show you what I mean by really accessible. There's a nice load of space to your hand to get in behind the light unit on both sides of the car. So the one we're going to be looking at is this one here with the red connector and the blue ring, and it is the same on both sides. So the first thing I'm going to do, because it's really accessible, you can take off the electrical connection first, and there is just a button to pull in there, and then that will allow you to take that off. We can now just do a quarter turn on the bulb and pull it out like that. So this is a halogen type bulb, and its model number is a HIR2. It's a 12 volt 55 watt bulb, and this is a fairly standard bulb on modern day cars. You can actually look at LED replacements if you want to go down that path. I highly recommend Novsight or Oxito for that, who I've been using for a few years. I will actually leave some links in the description down below. Make sure, if you are going with a halogen type, never put your fingers over the glass, because the oils in your fingers can get onto the glass, and then when the light starts to work, it actually heats up the oil and it can crack the glass. So just make sure you keep your hands away from that and just hold it here on the plastic bit. Just to show you how easy it is to replace, just going to make sure that the tabs go in. Now they are all different sizes, so it'll only go in one way, and then give that a quick turn back, and get your electrical connection and just click that back on like that. Just to show you again how easy it is on the other side, I won't take the electrical connection off, but just turn it and then pull that straight out. Really simple in this car. But there you go. Hope you found that video interesting or helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.